we are on our way to Typhoon Lagoon water park. We have never been there as a family. I used to go as a kid, but we've never actually been there as a family. So we're gonna try that out for the first time today. We ended up getting 50% off of our Typhoon Lagoon tickets because we were a part of the Springtime Surprise race weekend. They had a special deal. They gave us 50% off. And so we're actually able to go to the water park with 8 people because we didn't pay for a ticket for the baby for only $250, which I think is an incredible price for any Disney park. So hopefully it's nice, and we're looking forward to the day. And we should be able to try some food, and we're gonna ride some rides, and we're gonna experience the wave pool, and I think everybody's really excited, especially the baby. Baby's never been to a water park, right? Baby!
No, you excited?
Are you excited, baby?
She's scared but shy too.
She looks angry, but she's really excited. So let's just go have a great day at the water park. Have arrived at Typhoon Lagoon. It looks like the wave conditions are surfed up for today. The storm is over. The coast is clear, so come and see the view from here. We're walking too slow for Disney.
So after the hectic entry, a really crowded entryway here, we actually made it, and we were able to get some seats here, buy an umbrella.
Yeah, me and Mommy found it.
Yeah.
There's a lot of space right there.
Which is nice. So we're here at the Typhoon Lagoon, and they have the wave pool on, and it's a big wave. It's a big wave. Hey, baby. So I got in the pool with the giant waves, which was pretty fun. I don't know how often they do it. I know it's once they start, it's every 90 seconds, but I don't know when it starts. But it was pretty fun, and the kids are out there. They rolled around 2 or 3 waves already. But if you know how often they start the waves, leave a comment in the comment section below, because I have no idea. There it is. Here it comes. Look at the size of that thing. That's fun. You actually, I've seen videos of people surfing those. I think if you can make a reservation, come early in the morning, and bring your surfboard, and you can actually surf those waves, which is pretty fun. And look, it's pulling back. All the water's getting sucked back. What? What?
She was like, Daddy, that was so cool.
But it's fun. Ooh, this water's cold. It's not as warm as the wave pool.
Oh, really?
The wave pool, I put my feet in it and it was like comfortable.
This is so cute.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, wow.
Do you like that?
A waterfall.
Whoa, no, don't splash daddy.
Well, this is so nice. The water is actually warm. I think it's like very comfortable.
There's sand in here.
I don't care. It looks so cute. Look at how it is. It's supposed to be like sandcastles and stuff. Wanna go on the lazy river?
See, this is the times where I wish I had the GoPro.
Yeah.
Eleonora, go, Eleanor, go on the slide, baby.
Very good for young children.
Yeah. He doesn't know what to do.
Gotta get a little bigger for that.
What are you doing, baby? You make...
Just having such a fun time exploring. It's very adventurous, you know, for them at this age. She's just having such a fun time. Like, it looks exciting, you know? Her favorite part.
Whee! All right. Was that fun? Yes? Come on, come here. Watch it, baby. Whee! Whoa! All right. You gotta watch out. I don't know. Yeah.
Kind of big for something. Wow.
Come here.
Oh boy, the legs go faster than the brain.
I wasn't able to recap the day, so I just wanted to do that quickly right now while I show you some extra footage of the Ketakichi Creek, where it is the Toddler section of Typhoon Lagoon. And so this day was so much fun. I've been kind of putting off visiting a water park for a long time because I've always had little kids, and we were waiting until the kids were older to do this. But now that we ended up having the baby, we just didn't want to keep putting it off and putting it off. So we decided to give it a try and see if it was good for all ages. And to my surprise and delight, it really was a park that you can go to for all ages. I don't even know why I questioned Disney, but they created this amazing place where the older kids can have a blast going on rides, experiencing the wave pool, and just having a good time with the older kid things. And then they have this amazing section for little kids to explore, walk around. It was just such an adventure for her. So they even had a little tube ride for the kids in this specific section. There was also a wading pool at this park that we didn't show. There were so many things that we didn't get to show because we didn't have the GoPro. But yeah, the kids went on several rides on their own. We did the wave pool. We did the Kitakitchi Creek. We were able to get some drinks there. We actually did eat. The food was really good for a theme park food. They had a chicken barbecue pizza, other types of flatbreads, just different things to eat. But I would say that this was a really nice place for you to go as a family with multiple ages. You would just really need to have kids that can go off on their own and then have somebody that can stay with the little one. But I think that that's a great way to spend the day, just, relaxing, hanging out, and having a great time. We did buy this bucket at the water park. It wasn't too expensive. I think I paid $15 for it, but it is Finding Nemo, which the baby absolutely loves. So it was, just something that I wanted to get for her anyways. But it's nice to bring some sand toys if you can. They have a lot of sandy areas for the kids to play and relax. So I would highly recommend taking a trip if you're on the fence about going with a toddler to a water park. I think we're going to try to go to Blizzard Beach next. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for being part of my Disney-driven world. I will see you next time.